Morning class. Today we'll continue with English literature lesson 5. Nani walks to the park. Page 33. You can open your books, page 33. Once a week Nani goes to the park. Today Vikas wants to go with her. You all know who's Nani? Yes, Nani is our grandmother. She goes to the park once a week. This time Vikas also wants to go with Nani. I walk slowly. I take my time to get there, says Nani. But Nani says, I walk slowly, I'll take my time. I don't mind, Nani, says Vikas. Vikas says, never mind, Nani. Okay, let's go, says Nani. She picks up her shopping bag and starts to cross the road. Nani says, okay then. She picks up her shopping bag. But Nani, says Vikas, the park is this way. He says, Nani, the park is this way. We'll go that way, says Nani, pointing ahead. Let's go through the lane of treasures. Nani says, no, we'll go this way. The lane of treasure. The lane of treasures? What a wonderful name for the market. The shops here sell everything. Nani stops to buy milk and other things. Nani calls that lane of treasure, where she buys everything from there. This time she stops and buys milk. When Nani finishes shopping, Vikas points to a gate. Shall we take a shortcut to the park, Nani? No, smiles Nani. We have to go through the lane of happiness first. Nani said, no shortcut. We have to go through the lane of happiness. So they walk ahead and turn left into a small lane. Nani stops and calls softly, come, come. Suddenly dogs and cats tumble out from everywhere. When Nani says, come, come, suddenly cats and dogs come out from everywhere. Nani pours the milk into some bowls. Vikas laughs as the animals lick their bowls clean. The milk that she bought from the lane of treasure, she pours it out in the bowls for the cats and dogs to lick it. Seeing this, Vikas starts laughing. Then Nani and Vikas walk through a lane behind a little school. They see many children playing, laughing and playing. They are playing games like Langri, Languri and Shakli. They were children playing, school children were playing different types of games, laughing, playing, shouting. Is this the lane of noise? Asks Vikas, covering his ears. He covers his ears and says, Nani, see, look at this picture. He's covering his ears and says, Nani, is this the lane of noise? No, it's the lane of mischief. It makes me think of you and your friends, laughs Nani. Nani starts laughing and says, no, this is lane of mischief. Mischief means naughtiness, where children enjoy. They do naughtiness. Have you named all the lanes in the city? Nani asks Vikas. Now Vikas says, Nani, have you named all the lanes in the city? Not all, smiles Nani. Only the ones that are important to me. Nani says, no, the lanes that are important to me, only those have kept the names. Come, let's go to the lane of friendship. Now, Nani wants to go through the lane of friendship. Nani's friend lives in the lane of friendship. They were girls together and they had grown old together. When they were small, they used to play together. Now they turned old. Nani and her friend talk and laugh for some time. Then Nani hugs her friend and says goodbye. Nani spends some time with a friend. When they were small children, they used to play and they have grown old now. Come Vikas, we will now walk through the lane of dreams, says Nani. Now Nani says we will walk through the lane of dreams. The lane of dreams has more books than Vikas School's library. The bookseller sells old books for very little money. Here the land of dreams, the bookseller sells the books with less cost. Nani buys some books and says, "Let's go, we are almost at the park now." Here Nani stops and buys some books. Nani and Vikas have to walk down the lane of magic. Now after this, they have to walk down the lane of magic to reach the park. Vikas looks up at the big shady trees and feels cool breeze. The road is covered in red and yellow flowers. The road was covered with red and yellow flowers. You can see in the picture. Beautiful. It looks like a magic carpet. So he thinks that it's a lane of magic. See? Lane of magic, he thinks. At last, they are at the park. Vikas thinks of all the people and places he has seen. Now, at last, they have reached to the park. And then Vikas thinks of all the people and the places he had seen. "I like your lanes, Nani," he says. "Can I come with you next week too?" And Vikas is happy and he wishes to come back again with Nani the next week too. So nice. It's a story about Nani and Vikas, where Nani shows him all the lanes. Lane of treasure, lanes of dreams, lane of friendship, lane of mischief. So he enjoys with Nani. Yes, children, you also spend some time with your grandparents too. Listen to the story, go for a walk with them. You'll feel happy too, like Vikas felt happy with his Nani. So read the story once again, and I will send you a voice record in which I am explaining it in Hindi. Thank you.